Today. So you are now, we have the odd group, right? Okay, so today we just continue our lesson in the application of the operation set using the Venn-Euler diagram. So last week, if you still remember, we discussed about the introduction to the Venn-Euler diagram. So if you remember that the Venn-Euler diagram they're using in their studies about the presentation of the relationship between the different sets together with the universal set. Okay, so we have here the continuation. As you can see here in our first slide, you will see the Venn-Euler diagram. We have here the rectangle that represents the universal sets, and we have here the three different sets A, B, and C. Okay, now we're going to find out what are the elements for set A, elements for set B, and the elements for set C. Okay, based on the diagram that we have here. So for set A, so definitely all the elements that including this circle, okay, represent set A. So we have there 1, 4, 9, 8, right? So we have there 1, 4, 9, 8, or 1, 4, 8, 9. Then set B, so that's include this set here. So we have 1, we have 3, 4, 5, and 8. Okay. And C we have 2, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, there we go, all the elements. So that's how easy that you can figure out the different elements using the Venn-Euler diagram. Okay, now we have here the next one, this. So what are the elements for set A? We have all of this, right? So you have 2, 4, 6, and 7. Yes, correct. For B, we have 2, 3, 4, 8, and 10. There we go. And for C, we have 1, 4, 5, 7, and 8. There we go. Okay, so it's very easy. Now again, remember that when you're using the Venn-Euler diagram, it's easy for you to find out or to figure out what are the elements or the resulting elements for different operation and set, right? So we have your examples. It's like this. Uh, to make it easy for you, you can also write the complement set. Okay, for every set, like set A, set B, set C, A prime or B prime or C prime, or the complements of these three sets. So for A or the A prime, we have there. So we have here the elements for the event A as 1, 2, 3, and 10. So meaning to say that A prime are 4, 5, 6 until 9. Okay? Now for B prime, since that we have here 1, 4, 3, 6, 7, so we have 2, 5, 8, 9, 10. Okay? And for set C or C prime, so we have there 1, 6, 9, and 10. So the complement of C is 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and 8. Okay? Yeah, correct. So that's how we can write all the elements. But sometimes, if you are mastered already how to figure out the resulting elements by just looking at the diagram, then no need to write the complements of the different sets. Okay? Just like the first one, we have here A minus C prime. A minus C prime. So we just look at the diagram here. Remember that A is this one, okay? And C prime is all of this number outside C, okay? Outside C. All of the number outside C. But we are talking about the elements on A which are not present on C prime. Now, since C prime are all this number 5, 2, 3, 7, 4, and 8, right? These are C prime. Now we have here A. A is, we have 2, 3, and 10, and 1, right? Now 10 and 1 here are the only element of A which are not part of C prime. right? Because C prime are this 5, 2, 3, 7, 4, and 8. These are C prime. And the only two elements of A which are not part of C prime are 10 and 1. Okay, or 1 or 10. So you have there 1 and 10. Did you understand it? Yeah, thank you very much. Now B intersects C. So I will first move my picture over here. How can I move this? Oh, yay, it's there already. Okay, so we have here B intersect A. Remember that we have here B, and we have here A, right? So intersection is the common element between the two sets. So we have here 1 and 3. There we go, 1 and 3. C union with A. This C combine with A, or just only combine. Okay, so we have here 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 10. Correct. Now we have here the fourth one. We have B prime minus A. So we have here B prime are these elements. This one. We have 2, 10, 9, 8, and 5. These are B prime. And we have A, this. Okay. Now what are those elements of B prime which are not part of A? Now remember, only for B prime, since that B prime is 2, 10, 8, 9, and 5, right? So there are 2 and 10, this one, these two numbers are part of A. So therefore, the resulting elements for this are this 8, 9, and 5. Okay? 5, 8, 9. Now for this, A prime intersect with B and subtracted to C. So we're going to figure out this first inside the bracket. That is A prime intersect B. Now A prime is this. Okay? A prime is this. And intersect with B. Intersect with B, we have 6, 7, and 4. Okay? Because A prime again, all of this element outside A. 7, 4, 6, 9, 5, and 8. These are A prime. Now intersect with B. So B is this one here. So that's the common. This is also A prime, right? This is also A prime. Now we have 6, 4, and 7. For the first, we have 6, 4, and 7. 4, 6, 7. Minus C. Now this is C. Okay? 7, 4, 6. This is C. And minus C. 6 is part of C, right? So therefore, the remaining elements are 4 and 7. There we go. Easy, right? Do you have any question? Thank you very much for no question. Now we go to the next one. Here, okay, I will move a little bit. A little bit more. Okay. So we have here, again, by just looking at the diagram, we're going to figure out the elements, the resulting elements. So first, for the number 1, we have here the union of A to the intersection of B and C. Okay, so we're going to start with the bracket, B intersects C. So this B, this C, and intersection is this one, 3 and 9, right? And union with A. A are this. So we're just only combined with this. We have 10, 8, 1, 3, and 9. Okay? Or 1, 3, 8, 9, and 10. So that's the first one is 3 and 9, right? This one. So we have here union. Boop. 1, 3, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, it's correct. Now the second one, C prime minus A prime. Now C prime are this, okay, above. 2, 7, 8, 10, 5 are C prime. And A prime, yeah. This A prime is this. So if C prime are the numbers here above, like this, and A prime are this, okay? So what are those what are those elements of C prime which are A prime? And they are 5, 2, and 7. These are the three elements that are C prime and A prime, meaning they are common, 2, 7, and 5. Okay, and the only C prime which are not A prime are this 8 and 10, 8 and 10 rays, 8 and 10. Okay, so we have there 8 and 10. Next is C union with A. So it's easy. This is C, then A. You just simply combine. You have 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Correct. We have here B prime minus A. So remember there is this B prime are these elements. So we have 10, 8, 7, 1, 2, 6, and 4. These are B prime minus A minus this element here. So what are left? 7, 2, 6, and 4. Okay, 7, 2, 6, and 4 are left for B prime only. Okay, son. Now the last one we have again the bracket. A prime intersect with B, then minus C. So we go first with the bracket here. A prime intersect B. So this is our A prime here down. This is our A prime. And intersect with B. B is this. So the common between A prime and B are 5 and 9. Okay? Minus C, minus 9. 9 is part of C. So you have only left for the first half, we have there 5 and 9, then minus C. Then the resulting element is 5 only. Okay? Question. Did you understand? Easy. Again, by just looking at the diagram, it is easier for you to figure out the resulting elements of different operation set. Yes. Okay, just look, analyze, and think of what are the numbers inside to that operation set. And I know that you can get the answers. Okay, now we have your activity for you. This one, try to figure out the answer for this. You copy and answer into your notebook. Okay, copy and answer this into your notebook. So we have here the figure. You copy also the figure and figure out the answer. This one. Okay, so this will be our exercise for students at home. So I hope that everybody will answer this. Okay, so that you will always participate in our classroom discussion. And as well, you will also get points for this. You will not behind with your friends who are coming here in school this week. Okay, so hopefully that in the coming weeks, you will be going together with your friends in 4/2. Hopefully that the time will come that all of you will go to school every day. Okay, so again, that's all for today. And if you have any question, you can ask me anytime. You can comment here in Google Classroom, or you can ask me in the school, and anytime. Okay, I'm free to or willing to answer any question from you. Okay, so that's all for today, and see you again next week. Next video. Bye bye.